Alright, so I wanted to take some time to create this video so that you can learn why are we learning Ruby on Rails in this course? What are the benefits? What makes it so good to learn? And first, Ruby on Rails is popular. And this is mainly because it's one of the more established web frameworks. So there's a lot of learning resources, a lot of help if you get a bug or if your application has an error. And it's used in a lot of websites. So Airbnb, Twitter, GitHub, Kickstarter, and all of the websites shown on the right. Also, Ruby on Rails is easy, like really easy. The motto for Ruby on Rails is development that doesn't hurt, and it really doesn't hurt. So in this course, we can cover a bunch of subjects very quickly, which is really cool and one of the better features of Rails. And this, of course, makes it great for beginners. So you can go slowly from novice to pro without having any growing pains, which is really nice. A lot of web frameworks don't have that. Are you convinced yet? Let's get started.